Hello everybody, LW here, and I am about to conduct, once again, a latchbar workout. So over here, we have a deluxe latch bar mounted on the wall, and it's mounted vertically. And we are going to affix myself with some leg straps here. And we're going to start off with a little jog. If I can get myself set up, we will get started. So the latch bar exercise system is a resistance band attachment system where you can also use straps and you can also use chains. So I'm just strapping the resistance bands to my legs and my arms. Just slide my arms into place and we are ready to go. Set my timer so I'll know what I'm doing. So now what we're doing is what's called resistive jogging. So we're going to do this for a minute or two. Just bear with me. And then we'll get into some more exercise. Don't kid yourself though. This exercise here is extremely challenging and very, very good for you. You don't need a lot to do it other than your own determination. Because whatever you do, it's all up to you. That's our theme of the day. It's all up to you. We want to warm up pretty quickly, so we're taking a brisk jog. We got a minute and a half. That's good enough to get started. Now, if you just want to just run with straps on your legs without your arms, you can do that too. Then, of course, it's resistance on your legs without your arms. For some, it may be more comfortable, but just for you to see. And, of course, just as well, you could do just your arms without the attachment on your legs. So we'll remove it from our legs, and let me shift the camera just slightly. And now, as usual, we'll get into our form, doing everything else. So we're going to go from jogging to doing some ab work. Those were just a regular sit up. And now we will do a crunch. We are using the basic latch bar. So in order to do a crunch, we need to put our knees in the up position. And we'll go from here to turning around to the home gym setup. And we will do some pull-up crunches. Okay. Now give me one moment. I want to move these mats out of my way so I can continue with my demonstration. Of using the latch bar exercise system. The latch bar exercise system can be found on my website, www.LW500products.net. Okay, this was our sit-up apparatus, and it's nothing but the basic latch bar, and it has a couple of straps on each side. Of course, one strap is adjusted shorter than the other for doing crunches. So we start off with the longer strap doing sit-ups. Then we moved over to the wall unit, which is set up, and we started doing pull-up crunches. We initially started off with the deluxe latch bar, which is vertically mounted on the wall over there on the other side, where we were doing jogging. We were doing jogging with attachments on my legs and my arms. Now you can also just place the resistance band around you in this type of mannerism, and you can jog like this also. You still have resistance, so you're doing a resistive jog, just the same. It's not as taxing as it is with the individual bands on your legs and on your arms, but it's still a type of resistive type jog because it's pulling on your body instead of your extremities. So you can move your legs and arms a lot freer, and you can put maybe more into it, so to speak, but you're not getting that resistive effect on your arms and legs. So I don't think it's as efficient. You'll get more out of the other method, but you'll get just as much out of this method, depending on what you put into it. That's the way it always goes. It's what you put into it. It's all up to you. As I repeat, it's all up to you. So now we're going to do our pull down crunch. And then a side crunch. How about that? Then from the side crunch, we'll do the sidebar pulling. How about that? You grab the sidebars, the hand grips. They're already pre-set up with the resistance bands. All you have to do is go to work. We're going to go back and grab the pull down bar once again. And we're going to do just that. We're going to pull it down. We're going to keep our arms extended and we're going to conduct pull downs. Did you notice I never completely collapsed the resistance band? Because once you do that, you're getting a head start. So you don't want to get a head start. You want to maintain the resistance, release it, and add resistance. That's how you do it. So you don't want to collapse it completely. The same as I did the sidebar, the same as I did the crunches. Resistance bands are not the same as weights. They can be extremely, extremely effective if used properly. This system allows you to conduct an extreme resistance band workout because you have the attachment system. And that's what it's all about. You want a good workout? Get the resistance band attachment system. Whether it's portable or stationary, it'll give you the workout of your life using resistance bands. Don't sleep on resistance bands. They will get the job done. Like I said, it's up to you. Keep that in mind. So you do a number of sets of whatever you want. You rotate back and forth so that you can get an adequate workout. You have to do the work in order to get something out of it. If you don't do the work, don't expect any positive results. So we have all kinds of items connected over here and ready to rock and roll. You want to strengthen and tone your arms? You can do so using resistance bands. That's right. Every day I feel stronger and stronger. I know that sounds crazy, but it's just like any other exercise. The more you do it, the better you get at it. And of course, you'll start to see results. So the results of working to strengthen, you will feel stronger and you will look better. So don't kid yourself. We all want to look better, no matter what age we are. And certainly, we want to feel better, and health is at the top of the list. So, we want to make sure we exercise. That's the bottom line. If you exercise, yeah, you might feel some discomfort at first. Not too much. It all depends on what you do. It's up to you. If you overdo it, you will feel discomfort or you will feel pain. Pain is not always good. Pain is discouraging, so don't overdo it. Strengthen those arms up. This way that you'll be able to do push-ups. A lot of you don't like doing push-ups, and neither do I. But we can strengthen ourselves so that we can do push-ups. And speaking of push-ups, here's our set of elevators. We'll place them on the floor. Then we will take our deluxe latch bar, put it right on top. Give me 10, give me 10. And there you have it. You can even do push-ups. Can't leave push-ups out of exercise. So we'll go back and we'll finish what we were doing. Remember, this action right here will strengthen your arms so that you can do better push-ups. And you can even stand and get some leverage. How about that? I know it looks good, but you could be doing the same thing that you see me doing. The latch bar system is available. The entire system is available, including the wall mount system. Check out my website. And everything that you sit down and use, you can also stand and use. So there's nothing different about this exercise. They're the same type of exercise that you've done before, except now you have a resistance band system that you can attach your resistance bands to and do a professional workout. How about that? Not bad, huh? And we're just getting started. So you can take your bench, then turn it around, and those same attachments you have up there, you can do even more exercise. Even better yet, if you like doing a press, I got you. So with this item here, we can really do some body work. So like I said, if you want to do the press, your military press, I got you. Right. How about that? So, what do you think? If you're not impressed yet, we'll keep going. So on the floor here we have my little rolling bench. But you don't need a rolling bench to conduct the exercise I'm about to conduct. You could use a regular bench. Same thing. Let me come over and take a view in my camera because I want to make sure that we have a full view of what I'm getting ready to use here. So, we have a rolling bench on the floor, and of course I'm going to sit on the bench. I'm going to pick up though the heavy duty deluxe latch bar, and I say heavy duty because it has extreme resistance bands on each side. In fact, it only has one on each side, but since it's triple, it's really extreme. So I'm going to use this to help me sit down so I don't crash down to the floor. And now we're going to place our feet onto the wall, onto the anti-slip strips. And now we can actually work those legs over. And for those of you that don't like doing sit-ups, you could actually use this bar, and you're not going to do a sit-up, but you're going to actually you're going to do some real work there. And if you wanted more resistance, just add more resistance. But if you're using extreme resistance bands, you may not want to add too much resistance. You won't be able to move it. An excellent exercise here. And you can also reach and grab this up top and do some pulls. How about that? You can even stand up, and we will disconnect this one, and you stand back somewhat, and now you can actually conduct curls. You can put yourself on the other side and do the same. There's just so many different usages, and methods that you have using the latch bar exercise system. Of course, you don't need a bench for this. You can stand and you can do some more pulls. Pull down, push down. Do some pulls. You get the idea? And you can put a bench here. I will bring my bench over. And now, we can put our feet on the wall and grab it in the middle. It all depends on how tired you want to be. Remember, I said it's up to you. And if you're real glutton for punishment, you grab one up top and do your pulls. How about that? So that's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. We just did a quick 30-minute workout. And that's all you need from time to time. But I made sure you were able to see the latch bar system in effect. Okay? That's what I'm talking about. I normally work out even harder. But since I'm trying to demonstrate for you how to use it and what you can do with it, I have to move along a little quicker. So my workout was condensed into 30 minutes. So normally I repeat it, just like I recommend you do the same. My website is www.LW500products.net. Log on and take a look at what we have to offer. You'll find my products are affordable. And what you can accomplish with the latch bar system is unlike what you can accomplish with any other system. Trust me, I'm a 70-year-old guy, and I work out with this system all the time. And I wouldn't look like I do or feel as good as I did if it wasn't for the latch bar exercise system. As you age, we can't work out with weights anymore. They're just too taxing on our body, and we never should have did it in the first place, but we have to live and learn. So all of you guys that are aging, and gals, same thing, let's get with the program. And for you, the younger group, let's just start off the right way. You can see more than 150 videos of mine teaching you how to use the latch bar exercise system on YouTube. Just put in the search field, the latch bar, then subscribe, please. Thank you all very much, and have a great day.